Badamyar Project consists in extending the production plateau of the Yadana field that we have been producing for about 20 years to supply gas to Myanmar and Thailand. For this, we are going to install a new completion platform that will be linked to the existing complex with a bridge, and also a new wellhead platform 8 kilometers away with several wells to be drilled into the new Badamyar reservoir. This platform will be connected to the complex with a pipeline and also an electrical cable with optical fiber.
The Badamyar project, although not technically complicated, is demanding due to the extensive scope. It involves jacket, topsides, pipeline, diving, cable installation and pre-commissioning. There are also large lifts in confined spaces. Sapura Acergy has extensive experience of all the above elements. In addition, with the Sapura 3000, we can carry out all the works using a single vessel. For EPIC projects, there are 3 key requirements to ensure delivery: strong, robust supply chain capability, rigorous quality processes, and of course, competent and experienced personnel. On the Badamyar project, we have demonstrated this capability by delivering on time and to Total's expectations.
The pipeline and cable, or P&C scope, consisted of an 8 kilometre long 16-inch pipeline and a power cable between 2 platform locations. The scope was a full EPIC scope, which means we were responsible for the engineering, procurement, installation and commissioning. Some of the challenging design conditions that we experienced were the very soft seabed and the high tidal currents expected at site. In addition, some critical areas of the existing platforms had limited technical information available.
What we're going to do now is lifting the IBS tripods from the stern of the vessel. Side lifting, cuts off the transportation barge, slowly lower down to the water. After you upend the tripods, we will slew to port side, and then we will slowly move the vessel towards the complex at the Yadana field. During the installations, set down the tripods, the Yadana complex will be shut down. Once we are in the positions, we will slowly lower down to the seabed.
We are now offshore on the Yadana complex after 16 hard months working on the preparation of this first installation campaign, which was awarded to Sapura Acergy. This will enable us by the end of the first and second campaign to maintain the gas production plateau of the Yadana complex. For us, in total, safety is our core value, and I would like to finish to say that safety is for me, for you, and for all.
Something very different for us with WP4. The topsides are being delivered on a vessel called the Happy Star, which is a heavy lift vessel rather than a cargo barge, and it will bring about its own challenges for doing the safe and effective lift-off of that top sides from the HLV.
At the moment we are doing the WP4 Jacket installation. We are at that stage where we are at the completion works. We have a few little steps to go. So we need to remove the buoyancy tanks, need to complete the transition piece weldings, clean up the jackets, and we should be in the ready positions of the installations in the next days.
Just installed a jacket and we're doing air diving at the moment, -4 meters down to -26 meters. We're removing the buoyancy tank that they use to install the jacket. After this phase, we're going to be doing sat diving. There'll be 9 divers in sat and we'll be doing spool installation.
So safety is the key paramount of this project. With a unique work environment and multinational project personnel, we are able to demonstrate that we align and deliver the project safely. With the program Target Zero, we demonstrate that we achieved at 130,000 man-hour without any lost time incident or injury, no restricted work incidents, no major environmental damage, and no violation to garden rule. Do it safely or not at all.
We experienced a few challenges on the first campaign offshore installations. A few notable ones that worth to mention here, such as rigging entanglement on IBS installations. We also had some issues with pile fit-ups during the pile installations. However, the biggest challenge at the time that we had as a team is how to come and overcome these challenges and work together as a team. And we managed to achieve this together with our client Total and complete the project on time. Second campaign is going to be fast and furious and full of action from day one that we are supposed to be in the field. We scheduled to install the top sides and bridge to the foundation that we have already installed in the first campaign. All this lift, especially the 3 lift that we have out of the 5, are considered to be a critical lift for our assets of 8,000 to be executed on the marginal weather that we are expecting to see in the field during the month of December. The successful completions of the project determined by the cohesion and the understanding of the interconnecting of the EPCI aspect of the project. In the beginning of the project, we set the goal and also missions of the project and KPIs and all, you name it, with our clients and also our stakeholders, and we managed to live by it and consistently achieve and implement all the aspects that we have already set in the beginning.
We can say this project has been a success. First, we have no injury, we have no recordable incidents, and this is a great performance we are all very proud of. I would like to thank everybody at Sapura Acergy for the good cooperation we had between the teams, onshore but also offshore. It has been a pleasure to work together on a day-to-day basis. So I would like to congratulate everybody for this great performance on the Badamyar project, especially for the safety performance, because this was our first priority. So I would like to conclude with our motto on the safety at Total: safety for me, safety for you, safety for all.